Imagine a poor child, waking up every day knowing that the only dream he has could disappear at any moment. A child no one ever expected to become anything. Today we're not talking about just a player. Today we're talking about a mentality. Today we're talking about Cristiano Ronaldo. If your shoes are patched and your dreams look fragile, you're a fighter. If your name is whispered as a joke, you're the next legend. If they count you out, you're just starting the story. Imagine a boy with nothing but a ball and stubborn belief. Nights with doubt, days with hunger, but a heart that refused small. He trained when others slept. He pushed when others rested, and he turned no into fuel. Not just goals, moments that stop time, thunderous strikes, last-second winners, tears after loss, roaring after victory. This isn't only about trophies. It's a mentality, relentless, hungry, unbreakable. That's Cristiano Ronaldo. Proof that where you start doesn't decide where you finish. So next time someone tells you you can't, remember him. Keep going. Cristiano Ronaldo was born in 1985 on the island of Madeira, Portugal. He grew up in a very poor family. His father worked as a simple laborer, and his mother struggled just to survive. He was a troublesome child, and he was expelled from school. But he had only one thing: the ball. He played in the streets, in the mud, under the sun, in the rain, and he never stopped. When he was 12 years old, he left his family and went to Lisbon, alone. A small child in a foreign place. He cried at night, but in the morning, he trained harder than anyone else.
At Sporting, all the coaches noticed something strange. This boy was not normal. Speed, skill, and a hunger to win. In a historic match against Manchester United, Cristiano played as if it were the last match of his life. After the game, Sir Alex Ferguson said just one sentence:
"I want that player, now."
A skinny young man, wearing the heavy number 7. The pressure was terrifying. They mocked him. They said he was just a show-off. They said he was useless. But Cristiano answered on the pitch: extra training, gym sessions, discipline, and frightening development. Trophies, the Champions League, his first Ballon d'Or in 2008. Cristiano became a global star, but he was still not satisfied.